Hey everyone, Codex here. I hope you're doing well. So today what we're gonna do is take a brief look at Elrond or Egld, and we'll be discussing a very important level which we mentioned a few times in here in the past, and this level will basically define what will happen in the next few weeks. I think this is a very important area to focus on, as holding it will be crucial. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to join our Telegram channel. So Egld has fallen down to the level that we drew a couple of weeks ago, and in the last Elrond video I said that a retest of this area is very likely, and I always say that breaking below these levels, these blue areas I mean, that I draw, isn't easy at all. These are actually very good support levels, and that's simply because these areas have a lot of activity happening in them, and we tend to find a lot of buy orders in them too. And you can see that Elrond managed to hold this level to the exact dollar. We say that $38 to $43 should be our area, it should be our support, and we held that $38 level to perfection. And this might be surprising because although Elrond is getting destroyed, although it's getting obliterated, and although it's down over 90% from the top, it actually didn't fall below this level, and it didn't move an inch when BTC fell down from $25,000 to 21k. And that's simply because, as I said, these blue areas are very tough. Now, altcoins in general have been having a very rough time lately. They have been getting destroyed, including Ethereum, by the way. I mean, most of them are down somewhere between 30 and 45% in the last 7 days alone, which is absurd. And that's concerning right now. A lot of people are calling for capitulations. Others are saying that we will get destroyed, but we really never know. I mean, the feds could always come up with some crap like last week and we get destroyed again. For Egld, personally, I think that this level is basically everything right now. It will define the rest. It will define what will happen next. Breaking below it will imply a drop to the next one, which is between $27 and $24. Look, you might find others, or like, I don't know, some dude on Twitter drawing 20 supports in a $10 range, but that doesn't make any sense. A chart that looks like this is by no means helpful. I personally don't draw weird lines. We don't do that shit in here, and I think that this is the cleanest chart that you could follow for your sake. As I said, falling below this level will most likely imply a drop to the next level, which is this one, and that would be pretty brutal. That would be bad, because although that might not seem big, it's actually a 40% drop from the current price. Now, if we take a look at the KDG, what we can see is that the black line is starting to go up on the daily time frame, and that's somewhat a decent sign. However, it's not above the level of 20 yet, and the blue and orange lines, which are responsible for triggering our momentum, they haven't started their upside race yet. I would say that if we continue like this, and if the black line trends a little higher today, I repeat, I'm saying if we see the black line move above the level of 20, then and only then we will see a raise to 60 to 63 US dollars, because that's where the sell orders are now. Could we go up and fall again in here and visit $38 again and have a chart that looks like this? Yes, I personally think that has very high odds of happening. As I said in the Telegram channel, BTC is in trouble now. It's stuck below 22.5k, and as I said, we have a whole lot of sell orders between 22.5 and 23.1k. There are over 10,000 BTC for sale in that range alone. So as long as BTC is below 23,000 US dollars, don't expect much from this market. Clearing that level for Bitcoin is our goal now for the momentum to start, for us to start seeing any serious expansion up from altcoins. You might be asking, why would we mention BTC when we are talking about altcoins? And it's simply because they are correlated. If BTC isn't going up, it's very tough for the altcoins to perform well. I posted this on my Patreon account about 5 or 6 days ago, given my price target for the following weeks, and fast forward, we fell to it, okay? It was as precise as it could get. We are exactly in here now, and between you and me, I still think that this might not be over. I don't think that this is the bottom for us, and if that's the case, then alts will simply go much lower. For Egld, on the other hand, it's really tough to break below this level for now, because as I explained earlier, this is a very tough level. It could happen, I don't think it will. I don't think it will happen now. And if BTC reaches 23,000 US dollars, in the next few days, then we will most likely see $60 for Elrond in the following days. So to conclude, I think that those who bought in here didn't do a bad deal. I think this is a very decent level to get in, although we might drop lower. $24 to $27 remain my next level if we fall below this one, and so we will see how things develop. This is a very rough time, I know that, but these are the bear markets. We warned you, we told you, we've been saying that every day and night. I was called perma bear, pessimistic, but yeah, if pessimistic implies being right, then I'm a happy pessimist. So that was about it, guys, for today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.